Hey Tracy's Place fam, I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing really good because anytime I get to decorate, I'm having fun. My husband already redid our half bath, which is off of our family room. He redid the flooring, he redid the paint, and also the doors. The doors are brand new, so it just looks like a whole totally different area down there. So I'm excited to decorate. The thing that I have to deal with is it's like a grayish color, which is fine, but our fixtures are like a muted satin nickel with gold trim. And I could have went either way with the decor. So I got actually both accent colors, and whatever I don't use, I will take it back to the store. I'm going to go ahead, hurry up and get started because my husband will be off work soon. My son will be out of school. And when you're trying to film a sit down video, it's like having a bull in a china shop when you got husband and kids at home. And I'm going to get started with TJ Maxx. Okay, first thing from TJ Maxx, I got this nice little basket. I love this. When I saw this, I loved it, but I didn't know what I would do with it in the bathroom. And so then I said, well, I think I want some kind of neutral or natural colors, but I also want a pop of color, some kind of zing colors in there because I want it to look fresh. It's a half bath. Other people will be using it. I don't want it heavy as far as coloring and all that. I want it to be fresh and inviting. So I want it like a natural, neutral kind of decor going on, but I want nice accents in there too. So anyway, got this basket and it was $9.99. So I got that. And then I got this cute little plaque or a little picture. It says pray, trust, and wait. I don't know if I'll put that on the wall or somewhere else, but it was $5.99. I also got this big basket, this big woven basket. I was like, I don't know where I'm going to put this at in that little bathroom, but it's going somewhere. And I kind of have an idea what I want to do with it. I'm not going to say just yet. I'll let y'all see when I reveal the bathroom. But it was so pretty. I just could not leave it in the store. And this other lady was eyeing it too. She said, that is so pretty. And I was like, I know. And she was like, girl, come on and get it. I was like, I'm going to get it. So I ended up walking out with it. And it is so pretty. I love this color natural. I wanted something like a light neutral that would go with a lot of things. So I got that. And then I got, let me put this on the floor. And then I got these towels. I didn't know what kind of accent color I was going to go with when I got in there, but I saw this green. It's like a moss green. And I said, I can do something with that plus another color or two and just make something bright and pretty in the bathroom. So I got 3 of these kind of green moss colored towels. And then this is like a taupish gray. And I like that. So put that back in there. I also got this candle. It says relax eucalyptus. I've fallen in love with eucalyptus. I just thought that would be real nice for the bathroom too. It was $7.99 and it just smells so fresh. And then it has this nice neutral top to it. So I thought that would be nice. It has a sand in here. Oh, sand and fog. Okay, I've seen this brand candle before, but it smells really, really good. And I forgot to tell y'all how much the basket stuff was. I know y'all was like, Tracy, how much the basket? Let's see here. Okay, the basket was $19.99. This towel was $5.99. And these towels were $5.99 each too. So that's that. And then I also got this pretty candle. It's called Coastal Sage. And it was $12.99. And it's just a nice, bright spring fragrance. And let me see what it says that it is. I don't see. Coastal Sage Fresh Mint. That's what it is. Yep, number 05. But it smells really good. And I like the coloring on it. Everything has gold accents. So, you know, maybe I might be leaning a little bit toward the gold. But it's really pretty. And it's in this little frosted glass. Also from TJ Maxx, I got this toilet paper holder. It was $12.99. And it's like the muted nickel color or satin nickel. It's not bright or shiny. It's very muted. I love this. I love it, love it, love it. It will go with the fixtures. If I put that in there, so yep, that was $12.99. I don't think I want this hook on there. I'll have to find something else to do with that or see if my husband can saw this off. But anyway, we'll see. And I also walked away with this one in gold. And it's not a bright, shiny gold, but it's like a bronzy gold. And it was $10, again, from TJ Maxx. And then it has this natural wood at the bottom. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. You'll be able to see it a little bit under the toilet paper. But anyway, it goes with the accent of the gold on the fixtures. And then if I go with gold, I'll have other gold accents in there. But got that. It also has this hook on there that you would put the toilet paper on. But we already have a toilet paper holder, you know, coming out from the wall. So I wouldn't need this. I'm trying to think what I would do with this. I'll figure out something. But anyway, got this too. I got this faux plant. It was $14.99. And I don't know if you all watched my vlog, my last vlog that I did, but I was talking about how expensive Big Lots was. So I got this from TJ Maxx for $14.99. I saw this exact plant, faux plant. And I saw it in Big Lots for $24.99. I'm like, come on, Big Lots. I mean, they used to be such a reasonable store, and they're just getting so expensive. You can get a good deal in there, don't get me wrong. But yeah, I'm like, $10 more for a faux plant? But anyway, found it at TJ Maxx, and I really, really love that coloring. It's natural. It'll go with the baskets and some of the other things that'll be natural in there. All right, coming in from Big Lots, we have this nice little framed art. It says, "Family is the heart of the home." And I thought that would go good with the natural colors that will be in the bathroom. And I really couldn't find any wall art anywhere else that was decent or what I needed. So I hope that goes really good. And then I got these. Ooh. It's a 2-piece carved wood panel set. It's just decor. And let me show you what it would look like. Hopefully you can see that. But it's 12-inch by 25-inch. They were, oh, what's the price? What's the price? Oh my goodness, it's not on here. I think they were like $14.99. But I don't see the price on here anyway. I better go and look on my receipt and see what they charged me. But I think they were $14.99. But I thought that would look nice on the wall. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but if it looks good in there, that's what's going up. I really do like the little simplicity of the design, so I really like that. And also from Big Lots, this is neither here nor there dealing with the bathroom decor, but I got this for my daughter. If you all are looking for one of these are those little trays that if you're coming in from outside, it's snowing, raining or whatever, then you can put your shoes and boots in the tray. I really love that, so you won't mess up your carpet or flooring. This was $5. Yep, it was $5. And you can fit like 3 to 4 pair of shoes in here, depending on how big. But I got that for Jalen because she has a nice little entryway, and her entryway is done in black. I'm gonna have to show y'all her place too, because I have some video clips. So I'll show y'all coming up, maybe in a vlog or something. But her entryway is black, so I said I'd get that for her, and that's her entryway. Also from Big Lots, I got the rugs, and I got, let's see, this is the one that will go in front of the sink. I do not like bare floors. I don't. If I have on my, my feet are bare or whatever, I don't want my feet touching the cold floor. I just don't like that. I do not. And these were expensive. I said I should have went to Walmart and seen, but I was tired. It was kind of getting towards the end of the trip, and it was raining that day. And I went ahead and got it. So that's what I was complaining about when I was talking about Big Lots is expensive. These doggone rugs. I think that was like $19.99, and then one was $21.99, and the other one was maybe $14.99. I don't know, but I just thought that was expensive. But anyway, I got the contoured rug for around the toilet. So I do love rugs on my floor. I walk in there, I'm barefoot, or even though I got my house shoes on, I just want something on the floor. This is the toilet cover lid. I still like those. So I'm not, of course, going to get the whole rug to go over the toilet tank, but I did want something over the toilet to kind of bring everything together. Kind of got a gray hue to it. So, yep, got that. And from Ross, I just saw too many little canisters and I didn't know which way to go. So I bought all 5 of them. And these are the soap dispensers. So I got this gold one. And it was $5.99. I got this kind of muted satin nickel one. It's $5.99. And then I got this like sand color. I love the way it feels too, but it has a nice design in it, and it was $5.99, kind of to go with that natural neutral theme, and has gold, you know, on the top. So I really like that. And then I also saw this, in case I go with the silver. This is kind of bright, but it's okay. It'll still go and flow in there. But you know, this natural neutral color, it would go with the baskets. So, and so with this one. And then if I went with the gold, so with this one. So I don't know. Anyway, this was $5.99. And we'll just kind of play around with stuff and see where we're going when we get in there. And those were from Ross, if I didn't say. Those canisters, or those soap dispensers, those were from Ross. And also from Ross, I have this pretty little soap. And it will not be for use. It'll be for decor. It has the pretty green and goldish yellow natural colors in it. I really like that. It's $3.99. It's the gardenia scent. Yes, gardenia. Nice fresh smell to it. And also I have this 3-tier spa tower. And if it looks good in there in the corner, I will probably, and if I go with the gold, I'll probably spray paint this gold, because this is that pewter. And I may just stick it in there first to see what it looks like, even if I go with gold, because of the fixtures. They're gold and the muted satin nickel. So we'll see which one looks best. This is $14.99. And then from Target, I got this little natural color. I don't know if this was supposed to be a garbage can or a plant container, but I don't think this is going to be a garbage can in my bathroom, but I'm going to do something different with it. So I'm going to show y'all what it is, of course, in the reveal. And it was $5 and nice, cute little size. So I'll show y'all what I'm going to do with that. Also, I got this little chain decor piece. It was $3 and it says bookshelf decor on there. So got that. I think that would look cute. And also I got this little plant mister, and it's not going to be used for that, of course. I just like the way it looked. I thought it would be a nice accent piece, and it is in that like muted satin nickel color. Almost, this is like a pewter kind of, and I just thought it would look cute in there because it's like this moss or minty green that would go in the bathroom. So that was $3. All right, so that's everything that I got for the haul. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like I said, I know I'm not going to be able to put everything in there because I have duplicates that I have to see which one goes in the bathroom, and I'll be taking the other stuff back. So anyway, come on back to see the reveal. And if you're new here, welcome. And take a look back through all of my videos, and you may like some of the other ones you want to watch. I do vlogs, I do how-to videos, cooking videos. So I hope you'll find something that you like. All right, so I love you all. Be blessed, and I'll see you next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.